Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall wiper arms on this 2007 Mini Cooper S. If there's any parts you need for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. With the hood up, we're going to pull this little cap off the wiper arm. Just grab underneath it and pull that up. And we're going to take this nut off. I'm going to use a 13mm socket and a ratchet. Pull that nut off. There's a little washer here. We'll pull that off as well. I'm going to grab with two hands on the arm. I'm just going to rock it back and forth. Just like that. It'll loosen up. And pull the arm off. The driver's side would be the similar procedure to the passenger side. Before I install the wiper arms, I want to cycle the motor and make sure it's in the right position. So I'm going to insert the key and turn the ignition on. And I will just do one cycle on the wiper blades. Once I see it's done one cycle, turn the key off real quick. So that'll make sure that the wiper transmission and motor assembly is in the proper position when we go to install the wiper arms. So this happens to be the driver's side. Ours has a little wing right here. Yours may not have a wing. And we're gonna put this on, push this down, and to line the wiper up, you can kind of see where the wiper was in the position. You could, when taking it apart, you could mark the windshield if you want them exactly where they were. And we'll take the washer and the nut. These wipers line up with the cowl right here. You can see if you didn't mark it or you couldn't see the mark on the windshield. And we'll take our 13mm socket and a ratchet. Tighten these up. Once it's tight, just go a little bit more, like another 10 degrees. And then we'll do the same with the other one. Now we're going to put these little covers on. Just snap it into place. Now we're going to check the operation, turn the key on, and see how they work. And they're in perfect position.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.